7 best and unique high-ticket affiliate programs that pays you $1,000 to $12,000 commission with just one single sale. If you don't know about these programs, then you are losing big money. Third and seventh program are the highest paying programs. Third one I personally like and I promote it also. Let's talk about first program, that is Amazing Selling Machine. It is one of the best high ticket affiliate programs. They have great courses that help people to start and build their 7-figure business on Amazon. They pays 40% commission on their products. You can literally earn $2,500 with just one sale on their product. With just 2 sales, you can make full-time income in a single month, and it's completely free to join. If you are interested in this affiliate program, you will find all the links in the description box. Just click on the link, read all the instructions carefully and make your affiliate account and start promoting it. Now I am going to share with you a unique program. No matter in which niche you are in, you can still join this program. That is Mindvalley Affiliate Program. It is the largest growing online education platform. They have best courses on personal development, mindset, spirituality, meditation, business and much more. They pays you 30% commission on each sale. They have over 24 different courses. Also, they have monthly and yearly membership. So if someone going to sign up from your link, you are going to get 30% commission, and it's absolutely free to join their affiliate program. They also have a cookie length of 30 days. So if someone buy within 30 days, you are going to get commission. So you can create content on any social media platform and send traffic continuously to Mindvalley. Then you can make good amount of money. Their average order value is $300. Next is 4% affiliate program that I personally like and I'm promoting it also. They have the best training and coaching that help people to build and scale their dream business online. I actually bought the 4% coaching and I really found they have the best coaching. They pays you 40% commission on their product. You can easily make $800 on each sale. And that's not the end. They also allow you to tap into their ecosystem. So you are going to get multiple commission with the other product that 4% has. So you can easily make more than $1,000 by promoting just one product. And that is going to be a passive income. They also have a membership levels. So if someone join diamond level from your link, you are going to get commission of $10,000 with just one single sale. Also, they provide you all the marketing system and sales funnels that does all the selling for you 24/7. So you just need to send traffic to that system. And the best part is they have a full-time cookie length. So if someone sign up from your link now and that person buys anytime in the future, you are still going to get commission from that sale. You need to be a VIP promo partner to promote the 4% product. Or if you are gold, platinum and diamond member of 4%, you will get access to ShikiBoom network. It's a private network of top offers and product. You can make big commission with those top offers. ShikiBoom network is not available to all the people. At the end of this video, I will tell you how you can access to the ShikiBoom network. You know, 5th program that going to pay you more than 100% commission. Also, 6th and 7th program are the highest paying programs that you never heard before. Now, the 4th affiliate program is HubSpot and they pays you 100% commission on your first month. You can earn up to $1,000 on each commission. If someone sign up for their basic plan, you are going to get $250, and for professional $500, and for enterprise level you are going to get $1,000 on just one single sale. Now this program pays you 150% commission on each sale. That is Liquid Web.
So if you earn $29 for their WordPress management, you will receive commission of $150. 150% of what you earn. Or if you refer a $400 per month dedicated customer, you will receive commission of $600.
You can earn up to $150 to $7,000 per sale. It's a fully managed hosting services. Most of their conversion comes from their web hosting management. But if you generate sales for the cloud hosting, you can make big commission. Also, they provide 50% bonus for their prepaid plans. Next is Capital Exploits and they pays 50% commission on each sale. They provide trade recommendation for investor and anyone looking to outperform the market by sharing only the best low risk high reward opportunities to subscribers. They have a product range of $1,500 to $3,500, so you can easily make $2,000 on every single sale. Next is the highest paying program among all the affiliate programs. Also, you find all the links in the description box, or you can just simply search on Google also. The highest paying affiliate program is 7K Metals. It's a network marketing company that sells gold, silver coins and precious metals. You can make up to $12,000 per week by promoting 7K Metals. So if you are in US, Canada, UK, Australia, Singapore, then you can promote this product. You will find product of 7K Metal on the Shikiboom network. So you need to have access to the Shikiboom network to promote 7K Metals. If you want to know how you can access to Shikiboom network, check out this video.